Okay, sorry, some disturbance created that our mobile fall down. Okay, so molecules are the basic entity or element by which everything is made of. This duster is made of molecule, this wire is made of molecule, this chalk is made of molecule. Uh, I am, the whole body of myself is made up of molecules. The water you see is made up of molecule. The air which blow nearby to us is made up of molecules of various. Oxygen is there, oxygen molecule O2, nascent oxygen single atom. So two atom when unite they form a stable molecule, that is the oxygen. Oxygen molecule, which is our important gas for to make us alive. Okay, there is one oxygen atom if added, then it become the O3. O3 means ozone. So ozone is harmful. If we inhale ozone, we will get die. Single oxygen atom, it is nascent oxygen atom, it is also harmful. If it get inhaled, it cause some harm in my body. But when oxygen in diatomic condition, in molecular level, O3 is also molecule, so O2 is also molecule, that is the oxygen which we called oxygen molecule. This is only important for our respiration. Okay, then at the time of exhalation we exhale out the CO2, and you know that various other during the photosynthesis CO2 is absorbed and O2 is released, and through the automobile vehicle the smoke which release from the silencer also emit sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, etc. So many gases, everything is made up of molecule. Only light, waves, these are subatomic, that means fraction of atom, only these are subatomic. Otherwise everything, the building, the blackboard, you, me, everything is made up of molecules. Okay, so these molecules joined one to one and forming a polymer, which is also known as the macromolecule. The molecule whose size is lengthy one or polymer known as the macromolecule. So macromolecule is developed there, and then living world, first non-living world is produced. So before 4.6 billion years ago, 6,000 million year ago, 6,000 million year ago, our earth has been originated. Okay, then after passing 1,000 crore year, first living organism or first sign of living organism is developed in water, in ocean. Okay, in huge water body, in ocean, seas, etc. Okay, so prior to development or arising of living organism, they were the microscopic one, very minute, like bacteria or virus like this. They were very minute, and they are still today is also there. So prior to this, there was nothing which we said as a living organism. Only non-living things were there. There were hills, mountain, rock, iron, gold, and water, H2O, sulfur dioxide which emit from volcanic eruption, etc. And then after near about 3.5 billion year ago from today, the living organism is developed. So it is developed from non-living molecules. So non-living molecules, which are non-living molecule, like the hydrogen, then oxygen, then hydrogen, oxygen, then carbon, okay, then carbon dioxide, carbon or carbon dioxide, okay, then nitrogen, N2, then H2O, that is the water. So these are the inorganic molecules, H2, O2, CO2, N2, H2O. These are the inorganic molecules. These were present in the atmosphere of our earth. These then combine due to some calamities, external calamities, due to some rays or due to presence of some cosmic ray, etc. Some amino acid type molecule is developed in ocean, amino acids. some amino acids type molecule and some RNase type molecules is developed, which shows some symptom of living organism. And then thereafter, then the amino acid join to one another, amino acid join one another, forming the protein. Okay, so protein molecule is formed. Thereafter, then RNA is formed, RNA ribose nucleic acid this form. Then this amino acid formation will be directed, this protein or amino acid joining, protein formation is directed by then by the RNA, and then RNA produce the DNA, that means it envelop or get covered by DNA. In this way DNA is formed. So in course of formation, first organic molecule which form, organic molecule means the molecule in which carbon is there, and it is because of the carbon has tetravalent structure, 4 valencies are there. That means carbon can form 4 another bond, okay, having 108 degree angle in between them. Okay, tetrahedron structure carbon. So carbon which was present in carbon dioxide form or carbon in on earth, these play crucial role in developing the living organism. So various other atoms get attached, then carbon also can get attached, and the polymer is formed, and in this way amino acid is formed. Thereafter RNA is formed, then RNA get envelope, shelter, or they has itself been directed by the DNA to formation of RNA. This takes place. So amino acid, then RNA, and then DNA. By this way the molecule is formed. Then thereafter the carbohydrate and lipid, protein and lipid, they form the envelope and internal material which may contain the carbohydrate, which may contain oil, etc. is formed, and then first cellular organism is arise on earth. And from this unicellular organism, then there will take place the evolution, and one branch goes toward the plant. That means they can produce carbohydrate, food, energy for all trophic level. So plant, and other become the animal branch. Animal, that means they cannot prepare their own food, but they are dependent on the plant for their food. So these harvest the energy derived from the sun, and with help of sun rays and with some help of chemical which are inorganic chemical, there is formation of organic carbohydrate from CO2 and H2O, which is plentifully available in atmosphere. From CO2 and H2O, with help of sun rays, only plant are able, that means plant cell are able to convert these into the CH2O, that is the carbohydrate, from this with the liberation of oxygen. So oxygen is used by the animal cell, and the CH2O is the food, and this is used by the plant itself as a food, and it also provides food to the animal cell. So if plant not there, then there is no chance of surviving of the animals, because for animal carbohydrate is required, which is derived from the plant. For respiration, to live, to remain alive, the oxygen is necessary, which is also liberated by the plant. Plant also utilize oxygen, but also utilized by the animal cell. So animal cell is possible if plant cell is there. If plant cell is not there, then no possibility of animal cell of surviving. Okay, so from non-living world, the living world is made from non-living molecules. The living molecules and the living world is originated. So and in that formation of living world, carbon is important one. Our body is made up of plenty of fats and proteins. Huge number of proteins are there. Skeletons is there, which are calcium carbonate, etc., which is inorganic one. But huge part, major portion of animal body and plant body is made up of protein and lipid, protein and